Tesla Arcade is a built-in gaming platform available in select Tesla vehicles, including the Model S, Model 3, Model X, Model Y, and Cybertruck. It allows you to play games directly on the car's touchscreen when the vehicle is parked. Think of it as a curated app store for games designed specifically for casual in-car entertainment. To access Tesla Arcade, you'll need a compatible Tesla model with full self-driving supervised or higher capabilities, along with the latest software updates. To access Tesla Arcade, first ensure your Tesla is in park mode with the parking brake engaged. This safety requirement prevents any accidental movement while gaming. On your touchscreen, navigate to the Entertainment menu, then select Games. This will open the Tesla Arcade interface where you can browse and select games. You'll need a Wi-Fi connection to download games from Tesla's servers. Once connected, games are downloaded directly to your vehicle's storage through over-the-air updates. For safety reasons, Tesla Arcade is completely disabled while the vehicle is in motion. Games can only be played when the car is parked with the parking brake engaged. Most games utilize the touchscreen for basic controls. Expect to use touch gestures like swipes and taps. For example, swipes allow you to move characters or navigate menus. Taps are used for selecting items or jumping in games. For racing games, a virtual steering wheel appears on the screen that you can touch and rotate. Some games feature on-screen buttons or directional pads for actions like jumping or attacking. Familiarize yourself with the game's specific control scheme upon launching. For a better gaming experience, Tesla Arcade supports external Bluetooth controllers. Compatible controllers include Sony DualSense for PlayStation and Microsoft Xbox Series controllers, as well as generic Bluetooth gamepads. To pair your controller, navigate to the Bluetooth settings menu on your Tesla touchscreen. The process is straightforward and similar to pairing any Bluetooth device. Tesla recommends using wired connections for these controllers to reduce latency and ensure smoother gameplay. This is especially important for fast-paced games where timing matters. To ensure smooth gameplay, keep your controller fully charged and positioned within 10 meters of your Tesla vehicle. For the best responsiveness and minimal lag, consider using a wired USB connection rather than relying on Bluetooth. You can customize controller button mappings in the in-game settings menu or through the Tesla mobile app to suit your preferences. Make sure your controller is configured in the correct mode before starting a game. For example, X input mode for PC-compatible games. Tesla Arcade offers a variety of games spanning different genres. Let's highlight some popular titles that showcase the platform's capabilities. BeamNG.Drive is a physics-based driving simulator that lets you experience realistic vehicle physics and crashes. It's perfect for testing driving scenarios on the Tesla touchscreen. Cuphead brings its iconic run-and-gun gameplay to Tesla Arcade. Navigate challenging levels and defeat bosses using touchscreen controls adapted for the large display. The timeless puzzle game Tetris is available on Tesla Arcade. Match falling blocks to clear lines and achieve high scores using intuitive touchscreen controls. Beyond these, enjoy classic arcade games like Pac-Man, where you guide the character through mazes collecting dots. Other titles like Beach Buggy Racing 2 offer casual kart racing fun. The Tesla Arcade selection is always growing, with new games added quarterly through partnerships with game developers. This ensures there's always something new to discover. Tesla Arcade allows you to adjust screen brightness and sound levels directly in-game or through your Tesla's main settings menu. Parental controls help restrict game access for children. Enable them in the arcade settings to set time limits or block specific games. Through the arcade interface, you can manage downloaded games by clearing data, updating titles, or removing unused ones to free up space. Tesla Arcade supports multiple languages and includes options for visually impaired users through screen readers in the accessibility settings. If you encounter issues with Tesla Arcade, first ensure your Tesla software is up to date. Access the Software Update section in your vehicle's menu and install any available updates to resolve bugs and improve performance. Restarting the touchscreen can resolve many problems. Make sure the vehicle is parked, then hold both scroll buttons on the steering wheel simultaneously to restart the infotainment system. For games that crash, try uninstalling and reinstalling them through the Tesla Arcade menu. This can resolve compatibility issues and restore proper functionality. Check online forums like Reddit's r/Tesla Arcade for community support. Other Tesla owners often share solutions to common problems and helpful tips for using Tesla Arcade. If issues persist after trying these steps, contact Tesla support. Use their website contact page or app to reach out, providing details about your vehicle model, software version, and the specific problem you're experiencing.